Just as a bonus, I thought I'd add a video about adding some third-party applications, so ones that aren't made by Google themselves, but from companies that have said, we're happy to associate our product with you and work in the cloud. So while they're not the full-blown versions of much of the software, they're still quite useful in some cases. So if I just go to New over here, I go down, these are our traditional Google apps. So Google Docs is the equivalent of Word, Sheets the equivalent of Excel, Slides is the equivalent of Microsoft PowerPoint, a few more here. Forms allows us to create surveys, and then that data comes back to us in a spreadsheet form, which is extremely useful. Very similar to how SurveyMonkey works, if you're familiar with SurveyMonkey. We can do some drawings, we can play with maps. Lucidchart is already a third-party one that I've already installed, so that's why it's there. But I'll just show you, if you go to Connect More Apps, we click on that, we can then go through any number of apps, so there's thousands of them available. So we can run through the list there. If you want to search for something in particular, you can do that. Or there's broken it into categories, so if I want to look at some news and weather ones, for example, I can look at various ones and those type of things. If we just go back to all, one that I use a bit, being a math teacher sometimes, is this one here. So very easily to install them. I simply click connect, and very quickly I get the little green tick on there. Make it my default for those type of files. Definitely I want to do that. So now I've installed it and it's ready to go. I can go and rate that later on once I get to use it. But what should happen is when we go to new now, I go down into here, and there we go, GeoGebra is sitting there ready for me to use. And I can click on that and start working. You can then save files and they will automatically go into your Google Drive. So again, we're working completely in the cloud, so if you've got an internet connected device, you should be able to work. Good luck.